Hey, just showing you real quick what our spaces are here at Clintonville. So we have the classroom here where we do have computer access for the teacher, and then we've got the whiteboards, and we have the big screen up here, which all has access, so whatever teacher has access, they can do that. We have our augmented welder right here for the big one, and then augmented arc, and then we've got those mobile arcs. We've got 5 of those. And then here's our stuff. I don't know what they're gonna have. We got lockers there for them. And then inside our shop here, you'll see, I'll teach them how to run all the lighting and fan systems. We got our helmets here. These are the teacher's rigs, where we've got 3-phase and single-phase plugs here, demonstration table. And then you'll see these are all of our welders, welding stations, tables. We have everything ready to go. We have 14 bays, and then we have the demonstration table here. We have our Edwards iron worker, which is now wired in and ready to go. We do have the coupons that we have here for our students. And then I do have our tool room here, which we have, it's actually about $80,000 worth of tools in there. But and then in our metal storage room here, we do have a lot of our metal that we keep here. And then, of course, we got our old welders there that we're going to be selling here. And then here is where we have our consumables. Now, this is ours. We have set this up as, this one's for Fox Valley Tech. I don't know why, but you guys sent some like electrical wire, but this is everything set up for Fox Valley Tech. This is the sticks that you guys had sent over. There also is some wire that you guys sent over. But this is what we have set up for you guys right now. And then this location is where we are gonna have our gas. Cylinders are all gonna be stored here. We're gonna get some chains and everything sent up there. We don't have the gas for yet, but Thursday we were gonna get some gas yesterday, which we didn't have. So right now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 4. I got 4 rigs set up with 75-25. I got 1 rig set up with 90-10. And then I've got a 100% argon setup right here, which we use as our aluminum setup. And then out in our main space, I have just brought this bandsaw in, which we're gonna be putting over here. This is our old bandsaw. And we have our cutting station over here, and we got our grinding wheels set up. So we are set up and ready. Oh yeah, here's our metal recycling right here. We've got our iron, and then we have aluminum next to it. We're just getting ready to bring that out to H&S. And we do have another welder out here that we use for our garage work, which we will set up for aluminum and things like that. And then we do have our Kalamazoo grinder here. We still got to get this wired in. That's the only thing I think we really have to get wired in, besides our double belt sander and our powder coat machines and our CNC plasma machine, but that's not really what you guys need for your class. So we're set up. I mean, he can come in, start doing some classroom stuff. He can get in, start doing some demonstrations. We have we have 15, 16, let's see what we have, 15, 16, we have 17 welders here ready to go. I've got gas. I'm having Matheson bring in our extra gas so we can have one for every single booth. But right now we do have 4 set up for 75-25, 1 for 90-10, and 1 is 100% argon. So that's what we got going on right now. And yeah, I hope that answers your questions. Later, bud.